Who is Henry Ford?
Henry Ford was an American industrialist and founder of the Ford Motor Company, born on July 30, 1863, in Greenfield Township, Michigan. He is renowned for revolutionizing the automobile industry through innovative manufacturing techniques and creating the iconic Model T, introduced in 1908, became an emblem of innovation and efficiency. Ford's introduction of the assembly line in automobile production transformed manufacturing processes, making cars affordable and accessible to millions. The Model T, introduced in 1908, became an emblem of innovation and efficiency. Beyond his contributions to industry, Ford's legacy includes his advocacy for fair wages and workers' well-being. His $5 day wage initiative demonstrated his commitment to employee satisfaction. While his legacy is marked by his pioneering achievements, Ford's views and actions, including controversial stances, underscore the complexities of his impact on society. Henry Ford passed away on April 7, 1947, leaving an indelible mark on the automotive industry and modern manufacturing practices.